quick and simple video on how to elevate your voice control. Stay tuned. Okay, so basically it's using the AirPods to control the drone. The drone has its voice function like this, but when you connect your AirPods, you actually have control through the AirPods, so that gives you more flexibility when you're flying. Let's test it out. Launch it. Okay, I'm not even near my phone, so your phone could be even in your pocket. Okay, fly. Land. Land. Okay, fly. Land. Okay. Okay, so you see that you can have your phone in your pocket, and then it's like a backup plan to control the drone. Because it's kind of unsightly to hold your phone if you're doing like quick shots or whatever, but at least you have some extra control. And those extra controls are, you know, the follow, while you're recording, follow, circle, whatever. While you're following, you could say go closer, higher, farther. So you could just control it through your AirPods, tell it to land, to stop, to brake. And as you can see, it's not very responsive, not entirely responsive, but at least you have more options. That's it. Actually, I just wanted to make sure that your phone could be shut the screen off while you're in your pocket. So I'm gonna launch it again. All right, it's launched, and I'm gonna shut the screen off. Pretend it's like in my pocket. Hey, fly. Land. Okay, more responsive that time around, but you get the point. Yeah, you don't have to have your phone in your hand. You can have your hands free, and for example, maybe you're cycling and then your phone doesn't have to be within earshot, but as long as you have your AirPods connected, you have voice control. Cool, nice tip, right? See you next time.
Yeah.